Hello everyone, you are on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to connect two PlayStation 5 controllers at the same time. Let's go. Turn on the second controller by pressing the PlayStation button. Add user. Choose sign in or quick play. Now two controllers are connected to the console. If you can't open the controller settings, General, Bluetooth accessories, remove all unnecessary controllers. And connect the second controller via a USB cable. The controller is detected. Press PlayStation button. Select a profile and disconnect the controller from the USB. That's it. Now you know how to connect two PlayStation 5 controllers at the same time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.